Hey TikTok creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will enter the world of duets. Musical notes. Whether you want to collaborate with your favorite creators, react to fun content, or showcase your talent, duets are where the magic happens. Step 1. Find a video to duet with. Open the TikTok app, navigate to the video you want to duet with, tap the share button, looks like an arrow, on the right side of the screen. Step 2. Activate duet mode, press the duet button, you'll see a split screen layout, your video on the left and the original video on the right. Step 3. Record your duet, press the red record button at the bottom of the screen. Perform your duet, sing, dance. React or add your unique dance move, remember that timing matters, stay in sync with the original video. Step 4. Enhance your duet, add effects, text, filters or stickers to highlight your duet, be creative, express yourself. Step 5. Post your duet, tap the check mark to complete your duet, edit video if needed, add a caption, something engaging or related to the original content. Good luck, see you soon. Thanks for watching the video.